When you walk through the gardens of Colonial Williamsburg's historic area, when you smell the flowers, when you crunch the seashells, when you hear wind in the trees, you're not just enjoying a pleasant walk. You're stepping back to a time when Williamsburg had some of the finest formal gardens in North America. Williamsburg's 18th century gardens reflected the taste and aspirations of Virginia's colonial elites. They were also a workplace. Through every season, enslaved people planted and maintained these gardens. These gardens tell the story of early Williamsburg. The Waller House Garden is one of Colonial Williamsburg's most historically accurate gardens. It's based on a sketch that Eliza Waller completed after she left her childhood house. She drew her old Colonial Williamsburg garden, hoping to recreate it in her new home. Years later, a copy of that sketch reached Colonial Williamsburg's landscape architects, who used it to recreate the 18th century Waller House Garden for a second time. When Colonial Williamsburg restored the Prentice House, transforming it from a 20th century gas station into an 18th century home, they had an unusually helpful source. Joseph Prentice, who once lived in this home, kept a detailed garden calendar and a garden diary, documenting how and when his family planted fruits and vegetables. Today, the Prentice Garden Calendar remains an indispensable guide to anyone learning to plant an 18th century kitchen garden. The earliest known resident of the Tolliver Cole House was Thomas Creese, one of Williamsburg's first professional gardeners. He oversaw some of the colony's most magnificent gardens: the Governor's Palace, the College of William and Mary, and Westover, the home of William Byrd II. Today's lavish Tolliver Cole Garden, familiar to many Colonial Williamsburg visitors, reflects the likelihood that Creese also planted a garden for his own home in the 18th century. The flower garden, with spring bulbs and summer perennials, delights visitors throughout the year. Everyone knows that gardens are living things. They change, adapt, and grow over time. By the 20th century, Williamsburg's colonial gardens had been lost. But painstaking archaeological research, along with occasional documentary evidence like a sketch or a garden calendar, has helped to guide the restoration of many of these gardens. We are still digging, still learning more about the early gardens of Williamsburg, and we're still planting seeds for gardens yet to come.